Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Siri's voice at your iPhones. In this very quick guide, I will show you the way you can change your Siri's voice at your iPhones. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. First of all, open your settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at Siri and search, and down the bottom you can see an option Siri's voice. Simply tap at Siri voice. Now page by screen you can see bunch of different voices. You can select it from here. For example, I am going to tap at British voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice
Like
you'd like me
this,
to
you can
use.
easily change your Siri's voice at your iPhones. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.